Hello guys, so in this tutorial we're going to learn how to create a component using the command line interface. And the first thing we have to do is to make sure that the terminal is open. In this case, I'm using Visual Studio Code. So for those of you using Visual Studio Code, it's simply easy to find the terminal. So you simply go up here under terminal and then click new terminal. So once you click on new terminal, you're going to have your terminal open here. So whatever editor you're using, whatever integrated development environment you're using, make sure that your terminal is open. So the next thing we're going to do is to make sure that our project, the project is running. Yes, that the project is running. So as you can see here in my case, if I just go up here, you're going to see that my project is running under localhost 4200. So make sure that your project is also running or your local server is running. And then when you have that, the next thing we're going to do is simply type the command to create a component. So the command is simply to type ng. So let's go into our terminal and type ng generate component, and then the name of the component we want to create. In this case, we want to create a component called hotels. So there's also a short form to write this command. The short form is simply to type ng, g, which stands for generate, c, which stands for component, and then you simply give the name of the component you want to create. So ng generate component hotels, and you simply type enter. So as you can see, once you type enter, you can see that the component hotels has been created with 4 files. So let us go here and then open this folder. You're going to see that a CSS file has been created, an HTML, a spec file has been created, and a TypeScript file. So these spec files, we are going to delete it first, and then we're going to come to that later. This to write testing for each component, but we're going to see that later. So just go on and then delete this file. Just like that. So guys, we've created this hotels component using the command line interface. So if we check our app, so if you check this app.module.typescript file, you're going to see inside of this declaration that the hotels component has been registered. So it has been done automatically. So when creating the component hotels in the command line interface, the interface or the command line interface has done that for us, has registered this component automatically, and you can see that here it has been imported under hotels. It has been imported here, which is very good. So the next thing to do is simply to use these hotels. So we're going to go inside the template, inside the app component template here, and simply replace the app hotel with the app hotels, just like that. So this is a component we created just now using the command line interface. So let us just put app hotels and use like that using the selector. So just like that. And inside of this app hotel, inside this template, you can see hotels work. So here we're going to just put a break and then add the selector of the app hotel. So because we want to display a list of hotels, so let us just put the selector app hotel just like that. So we can repeat this even many times because we want to have one hotel, then have a second one, a third one, a fourth one, and you can go as many times you want. So here we are actually putting the selector of the app hotel, and it will replace this with the content of the app, with the content of this component, the hotel component we have here. So guys, once you have this, you simply save your project, and then let's check in the browser. Okay guys, so as you can see in the browser, you can see that the content of the hotel has been repeated here. So here is I am the hotel. You can see that it has been repeated 4 times. So that is a list of the hotel we actually integrated or we actually inserted, and you can see here the hotel works. So guys, basically that is how you create a component using the command line interface. So to resume what we did, we simply wrote the command ng generate create, and the name of the component, we gave the name of the component hotels, and it created automatically for us this folder inside of the app, which is a root folder. It created for us these hotels here. As you can see, it has been created in the app folder, which is a root component, which is a root of our project. So it created this component for us, and then we went inside of this app, inside of the app.component.template, and we simply inserted the selector here. We simply added app hotels, and writing the app hotels, it will simply display the content of what we have here inside of this template. Here inside of this template, the hotels template, we have hotel works, and then we inserted the app selector here of the hotel component 4 times. And these 4 times, you can see in the browser that it actually displayed the content of that hotel 4 times. So guys, basically that is how we create a component using a command line interface. So challenge yourself and create whatever component you want. You might want to create as more components you really desire. So guys, thank you for watching this course, and we are going to meet in the next tutorial. Goodbye.